Have you ever loved a person who didn't love you back?
Hindi pa pala tayo nag-ano.
Ay, sir?
Hindi pa tayo.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi po alam ng host yung gagawin niya. So, next question na tayo. This is Reflex and Real Talk, one table, one lie detector, and one bowl of spicy noodles. If they tell the truth, I will pay the price, and if they tell a lie, then they should be ready because they will be the one burning up. The rules are simple, the reactions are not. I've invited one of our science teachers from the middle and high school department, Sir Adonis. Let's see if he will be honest or let us see if the spicy noodles do the talking. Okay, are you ready, Sir Adonis, for the first question?
Ready.
Okay, first question. Have you ever said you understood something at work even when you didn't? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be the one to pay the price. Have you ever been in love with someone who didn't love you back?
Yes.
Sana lang naman.
Kinabahan ako. Nangatanong kami. Taon
Or,
grade
anong grade ka nun?
second year high school.
Have you ever pretended to be busy just to avoid talking to someone?
Yes. Yes. Naku, basata. Gulat lang.
Kakagulat lang. Magandang question. Have you ever lied to protect someone's feelings?
Yes.
Sana lay ulit.
A friend in college days.
About what?
What is the question again, sir?
Have you ever lied to protect someone's feeling?
Yeah, I want to be blunt. I want to be as much as possible. I want to tell him the truth, but I also considered his feelings. So I intended not to tell him.
Have you ever thought about quitting your job for good? Being a teacher? No.
No.
Bakit?
I love teaching and I am passionate in teaching.
Ay, hindi pa pala tayo nag-ano.
Ay, sir?
Hindi pa tayo.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi po alam ng host yung gagawin niya. So, next question na tayo. Do you believe you are living your life to its fullest right now?
No. So,
Okay, so before I ask my follow-up question, sir, pabalik ako ng kamay.
lagi na lang. Makulit tong interview natin. Yes, sir.
Paano mo masasabi na you're living your life to fullest?
My life has intentions, but it's not in its fullest yet. But I am loving and liking the path that I am traversing right now. Probably I still have several things to achieve and to pursue, like having my own house, my own car, and etc.
Oh, ang. Do you sometimes compare your life to others and feel jealous?
Yeah. Yes.
Sablay naman. Parang...
Oo nga.
Wala na, kawawa yung isa eh.
Kawawa po yung host natin. Parang hindi po muna tayo magsa-second episode.
Kasi hindi po makakimig ang host.
In what way? I mean, jealous na nakikita mo na dapat ganito din ako in the future?
Before. Especially yung nakikita ko yung mga friends ko na nauna silang nagkaroon ng work kumpara sa akin. Tapos, nakagraduate na sila ng MA. Ako is complete
Hindi pa.
lang. Then, yun lang naman, sir.
Have you ever stalked someone's social media out of jealousy?
No. Jealousy. No.
Oh, out of
Out of
jealousy.
jealousy.
Hello! Ano ba naman yan? Parang... Wala po tayong second episode. Have you ever regretted a big decision you made in your personal life?
Yes.
The mouth is burning. Hello? Have you ever told a white lie to impress your boss or your colleagues?
White lie. Wait, parang... Yes.
Let's see.
Actually, inisip ko pa talaga. Pero ano ko na siya eh. White lie naman is parang, di ba, in good ano naman siya.
Oh,
May
hindi
good
naman siya
intention
yung-
naman eh. Na parang,
For example, tapos ka na ba tapos sinabi mo
actually,
oo kahit hindi
before,
pa?
yung kaya mo bang gawin to? Parang ako kasi minsan, kaya ko, pero aaralin ko pa.
Pero
Kahit
nag-oo
hindi
ka
pa
na.
naman, nag-oo ako kahit hindi ko. Aaralin ko pa siya, pero parang naman bigla.
Okay.
Sige, sir.
Next. Have you ever lied about being over someone when you weren't? For example, na parang in love ka pero hindi naman talaga.
Yes.
Okay.
Wala na, kawawa na itong isa.
Sir dito eh. Nung college, may best friend ako na nag-ano naman siya ng
Feelings niya.
So parang, yun kasi is, may sakit siya sa puso. Parang, hindi ko, masama ba sabihin na parang attention seeker? Hindi naman eh, parang gusto niya lagi is may attention sa kanya. So parang nag-ano ako sa kanya na, yes.
Needy siya.
Oo, parang gano'n.
At the end of the game pala, the guest will have the chance to ask me one question.
Oh!
Yes. Okay.
Tulungan niyo ako. Ano tatanong natin?
Ay, okay.
Oh, sige.
Have you ever hidden your true feelings from someone you love?
Yes. Oy!
Okay.
Loko. Loko. Ano ba yan?
Gusto mo siya or hindi?
Gusto ko siya, pero kasi para siya yung puppy love kasi high school pa naman yun. Parang hindi ko na siya tinuloy or sinabi.
Pinursue.
Ah,
Okay, next question. Naanghang na po.
pahanda po ng gatas.
Okay. This is about work. Have you ever done the bare minimum at work because you didn't feel like trying?
No. Mas pala. Baka husgahan ako si Robin.
Bare minimum lang binigay natin.
So, no. Pero parang hindi naman. Kasi you always exceeded with the expectations at work. Last two questions before Sir Adonis will ask me a question.
Tulungan niyo ako.
Have you ever taken credit for something you didn't fully do?
Fully.
Yeah, fully do. Credit grabber, ganun.
Ano? Tapos, yes pala.
Gusto niyo pagbutan? Diba?
Itagdagan na daw yan eh. Hindi natin
May ginost ka na ba dati?
Wala pa. Sa ano ko? Sa wala pa.
Okay. So, bago ako mag-follow up question, kakain muna ako.
More.
Sarap.
Okay na to, sir.
Mm. Ayun. So, what's your take doon sa mga taong nang-ghost? Naniniwala ka ba na kapag wala kang feeling sa isang tao, basta na lang siyang iwan or dapat kino-communicate mo na hindi mo gusto yung isang tao?
You have to communicate. At sa unang banda, kung wala ka talagang feelings, wag ka nang mag-attempt. Kasi ang ibang sinasabi nila, they do experiment. Baka kasi ma-fall ako eh. So gusto kong itry. And then suddenly, kapag wala talaga, basta iniiwan. Pero kung ganun man, they have to really communicate. Tatanong natin, wala pang mag-isip.
Alam ko na kasi.
Have you ever loved a person who didn't love you back?
Oo, diba?
Yes.
Oh.
Hindi na palo ka ako.
May isang tanong lang.
Kasi pero sa tunay.
Oo. And ano naman, when it comes to love, 'di ba ang sabi nga, when you love, you give, you don't expect in return. Kasi once na mag-expect ka in return, that's the time that na masasaktan ka. So kapag nagmahal ka, dapat bigay ka lang ng bigay, pero at the same time, dapat magtitira ka din para sa sarili mo. Sabi nga, I think si Tony Gonzaga yon, huwag mo siyang gawing mundo mo kasi pag nawala siya at ginawa mo siyang mundo, paano ka? So, dapat meron ka pa ding matitira para sa sarili mo para at the end of the day, mawala man siya, meron ka pa at hindi ka mawawala.
Gaano katagal
Ay, sir, isa lang po.
sorry.
Yes, sir.
Gaano katagal bago nyo na-realize na hindi kayo mahal? Marami na
Siguro at the beginning pa lang. At the beginning kasi alam ko naman na parang hindi naman talaga, pero dahil nga pinilit ko din, siguro trinay niya din. Kasi 'di ba, naniniwala kasi ako na ang pagmamahal natututunan yan eh. Maari ngayon hindi mo siya mahal, pero kapag ka nakasama mo na siya ng ilang beses, ilang araw, matututunan mo siyang mahalin. So ayun, siguro at the beginning, pero kasi nga 'di ba, naniniwala ka na natututunan